Good morning. It's another beautiful snowy day. Look at it in the trees as they're going by. Last night, probably 3 to 4 inches. Light, fluffy snow, and nothing was blowing around. So I was asked the other day why I do videos while I'm driving. And I thought, that's a really good point. It's the most time that I have in the day that I can't do anything else. I'm either on the run from one appointment to another, or I'm taking phone calls, or I'm checking on jobs, talking to my maintenance guys, my service guys. So the only real time I have to talk to you is when I'm driving. We probably all find that there's a lot of dead time when you're traveling, and in the area that I service, I can easily be driving stretches of an hour and a half, which is just like today. It's exactly an hour and a half from where I start out to where my first appointment is. And I guess I could either talk to myself or I can talk to you, and I'd rather talk to you. So that's the reason why you'll see a lot of my videos. The scenery is moving behind me, but it's no more difficult for me to talk to you on video than it is for me to talk on the phone when somebody calls when I'm driving. Actually, it can be more distracting when somebody calls you, especially if it happens to be an installation crew and they're running into a difficulty that wasn't foreseen. That happens once in a while. But then all of a sudden you notice that if you were to think about it, you start to have tunnel vision. You start to only focus closer and closer and closer to the center of the road because your mind is racing to find solutions to the situation. Fortunately, all of my guys are really good and they don't put me into that kind of a situation, but I want to be there to help, and I want to make sure that my customers are really happy. I've been very fortunate that that's generally always the case, but nobody's perfect. Sometimes you run into a difficult situation. So stay warm. If you need help with your HVAC, reach out to your local contractor. There's a lot of good guys out there, and they probably know more than I do. I'm just the guy that figures things out and gets it put in. So stay warm, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.